I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Thursday evening, almost 10 o'clock, tracking a coastal storm. And look at all this green moving in. That is rain. The wind will be increasing as well. And this ocean storm will have an impact on our weather now through at least Friday night. And it's really at this hour raining at varying intensities. Sometimes the rain is heavy. Other times it's just drizzle, but it's a long stretch of wet weather overall and increasing wind too. Here's the wider view in a storm system offshore. Let me widen it out even more. And that red L well to the east of Cape Cod, and it's throwing back moisture off the Atlantic Ocean. Now, normally, 9 times out of 10, these storms just kind of scoot out to sea to the east, but this one's actually backing up, kind of moving slowly in reverse. What it will do is back towards the New England coastline tomorrow and then drop off to the south tomorrow night and then really pull out of the picture by Saturday. So take a look at the forecast into the future starting off now. And you notice that kind of a west-southwest drift. Here we are at Friday morning. The storm making its closest pass, and this is when some of the stronger wind gusts along the coastline will be realized, even though it's windy right now, getting even stronger, the winds. Though the main concern here is essentially Cape Cod and the islands as far as real strong wind. And the whole system drops off to the south Friday night, but we're still under the influence of a raw wind off the ocean transporting moisture. Even Friday night, the rain lets up, but we're still holding on to at least some drizzle. So we're getting real close. We're going to walk you through this now through tomorrow. Just nonstop areas of green coming through, which represents the rain. The flecks of orange and red are your occasional downpours. This is 6 o'clock in the morning. There's more rain. Here we go, noontime. Rain still pouring in off the ocean. Mid-40s, windy and raw. 3 o'clock, more of the same. 6 o'clock in the evening. The precipitation intensity is letting up, but it's still wet, damp, and raw right on through 11 o'clock tomorrow night with rain and drizzle and temperatures in the lower 40s. Coastal flood warning is confined to east coastal Massachusetts only, does not include the Rhode Island coastline. So right in here, first high tide cycle around 7:30 tomorrow morning in this area. There'll be some minor coastal flooding. Now, windy everywhere, but the strongest winds are going to be realized across east coastal Mass. It's a high wind advisory, Plymouth County right in here. So gusts in this light brown up to 50. In red, the Cape, the islands, high wind warning. Gusts here could be 50, pushing 55, 60 miles per hour. I think here in Rhode Island, inland, we're gusting to about 30, and along the coast, probably gust to about 40 miles per hour. So it's windy here, but not as strong as the Cape and the islands. So your Friday morning is a windswept rain, raw. Winds north-northeast 20-25. That's the sustained wind speed. The gusts will be anywhere from 30 to 40. And just the same deal for Friday afternoon. Windswept rain, chilly mid-40s, north-northeast wind 20-25, gusting 30 to, at times, 40 miles per hour. All right, 7-day forecast. The weekend is better. I mean, it's not perfect. I mean, Saturday is not a sunny, warm, 60-degree day. I think what I envision for Saturday, it will start off cloudy and damp. Could be a little mist in the morning. And then I think any clearing in the afternoon would be partial. But at least it's dry or drier, though temperature's still cool. Only upper 40s. Saturday night is dry and chilly. Sunday is slightly milder. Mid-50s, sunshine and periods of clouds. I don't think it's a complete clearing here, but kind of a cloud-sun mix. A bit milder, but not by much. We're thinking 50, 55. But again, your Sunday is dry. Finally, but not until Monday and Tuesday, we start to warm up into the upper 50s to lower 60s. So that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. Check back with us for more updates as this coastal storm impacts our weather right through Friday night.